You want to make a passive income online, but you just don't know how or where to get started. Well, I'm here to help. What's going on, guys? Fazan back at it with another video talking about some money making online opportunities, talking passive income, and really talking about affiliate marketing. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure the first thing you do is you go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications, because I'm going to be bringing you guys a lot of good, valuable content that you're not going to want to miss and help you get started with exactly what you're looking for, which is making a passive income online. So with that being said, let's get started. How exactly do you make money online? Well, there's a ton of ways. My favorite is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is huge. There's a bunch of different ways to do it, and I'm going to be hopping into my computer and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. And the product that I'm going to be talking to you guys about with affiliate marketing is called Builderall. So again, let me just start with a high level overview of affiliate marketing real quick. It's basically me selling somebody else's product and getting a percentage off of it, okay? And with affiliate marketing, all you have to do is just promote somebody else's product and you get money off of it. Easy enough, right? Okay, so that's affiliate marketing in a very, very high level overview nutshell. So what is Builderall and why exactly should you use Builderall to make money online now? And the reason is because Builderall is a digital software, okay, folks? The thing with affiliate marketing is if you take a lot of look at like physical products and stuff like that, if you're selling something that's a physical product, it can run out. You know, there's inventory and whatnot. But with digital products, the beauty of it is it'll never run out because it's digital. You can always keep selling it, okay? So what is Builderall? It's a digital software platform that is used for affiliate marketing, okay? I know you guys are probably getting lost here, but work with me, okay? It's a digital software platform that you use to build funnels, that you use to build presentations, email automations, a bunch of stuff. It's a great software. And here's the number one tip I'm going to give you when you are entering affiliate marketing to make money. Pushing products that are good is the key, folks. If people push trash products, they're never going to, succeed in affiliate marketing, because people are able to tell right away if you're promoting something that is not very good. The reason I'm talking to you guys about Builderall is because I've used it. I know it's good, and that's the reason why I'm promoting it to you guys. Okay, so basically, how does Builderall work? Basically, it's a software, like I mentioned, that is used for a bunch of things for affiliate marketing. So I'm going to hop into my computer and I'm going to show you how I make money with Builderall passively every month and show you guys exactly step by step on how you guys can do it as well. Now, you guys might be thinking, why am I telling you guys this? What's the benefit for me? Well, the way affiliate marketing is set up, and especially with Builderall, what happens is, for me, it benefits me to tell you guys, because then you guys can promote the product as well. So there's that incentive there, okay? So that way you guys know that there's no catch here of me telling you guys, besides the fact that I want to just give you guys good content and so you guys follow this channel and whatnot. But outside of sharing knowledge, there's a benefit, and I'm going to be straight up with you guys. So that's the reason why. So with that being said, let's hop into my computer and let's get right into it. Okay, so here we are at my computer, or in my computer really, and here we go with Builderall. We are on the website, at the website really. This is what you should see when you enter builderall.com, and then obviously you're going to have to sign up and log in, and this is basically what you will see for your homepage, as you guys can see it here for me. So again, I talked about the platform a little bit, but I can obviously go into more detail here. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail because I don't want to make this video too long and talk about exactly everything in here. I might make another video for that, so let me know in the comments down below. But basically, Builderall gives you all of these different things that you can do. As an affiliate, you can, like I said, make obviously funnels, which people use to promote certain affiliates. So like I mentioned before, with affiliate marketing, there's a ton of things that you can do. There's Facebook ads, Bing ads, you can run paid traffic, you can get free traffic any which way. And what a lot of people do is, and websites like Builderall, which is similar also to another website called ClickFunnels, I'm sure you guys have seen it, they've been marketing it everywhere. You can't miss it. What these websites do is, let's say I am selling a product and basically I want people to obviously sign up for it. What I would do is I would create a funnel. send traffic to that funnel. That funnel would have an email opt-in page for people, so they would enter their email, and then they would take them right to the affiliate, and then from that affiliate they can go ahead and see, and if they like it, they can go ahead and purchase it. Okay, but to create that funnel, that is what Builderall and websites like ClickFunnels allows you to do. But why is Builderall so great? Because not only is it a great product, but they have an amazing affiliate system themselves. Okay, so their affiliate system is better than anything I've ever seen, and that is why I love promoting it. So again, like you see here with all of the different things you can do here, there's the funnels and whatnot, tutorials, but their tier program is great. So basically how their program works is like this. All right, let me go to plans. Oh, I should probably go to affiliate actually, but plan is good too. So if I go here, and obviously they're gonna show here, but you're getting paid basically to promote Builderall, okay? And how this works is Builderall costs about $50, okay? So $49.99 a month is what they cost. But what happens is I will get money for referring somebody who purchases Builderall, but then I will also get money, so the 30% on anybody that who promoted my product if they get somebody else to sign up for. So remember earlier, you guys were probably wondering why I would want to promote this. It's because the more you sell, the more it helps me, the more it helps you. Because let's say I get 10 people to sign up under me, and actually I could show a great example of this. They have a tool here in Builderall just for this. So let me go here. Whoops. Let me go there and show you guys what exactly I'm talking about. So Builderall Business Calculator. So let's say I sell, or I'm able to get 10 people to sign up for Builderall under me, okay? So 10 people, $499 is my immediate earnings, because remember, it costs about $49.90 a month. That's my immediate earnings. But those 10 people, out of those, let's say 5 of them sell Builderall to somebody else under them. Okay, so that's the second tier. So the people I sell it to is first tier. The people that they sell it to is my second tier. So let's say those 5 people sell this product to another 5 people. Let's see what happens now. Okay, boom. My monthly income increases to, oops, let me move here, $523 a month. Okay, that's just with 5 people. Let's say those 5 people get 10 more. $898. Okay, so you see here that the potential to earn money from this is multiplied because of this 2-tier program. No other affiliate, no other digital product has this type of tier. Okay, this type of tier program. That is why I love Builderall. That is why it is great. And this is why you need to promote it. And this is exactly how you are going to make passive money online. So now the question begs of how exactly do I promote Builderall? Well, that is what I'm going to show you here step by step. Okay, so there's a bunch of different ways to promote it. There are free ways and there are paid ways. Let me quickly go into free ways to promote this product Builderall. You use Facebook, okay? So everybody has a Facebook, we all know that. And with Facebook, what you do is you go and search for affiliate marketing pages, okay? So there's pages and groups, excuse me, I shouldn't say pages, I should say groups. So Facebook groups, and there are Facebook groups all over about affiliate marketing, and I'm pulled up to one here, Affiliate Marketing Worldwide. This one has, I believe, over 111,000 members last time I checked. Let me just double check here. Yep, about 111,000 members, so a ton of people here. So what I would do in this group is I would go ahead and I would make a post saying, hey, I've made blah, blah, blah from this digital product. Let me know if you guys are interested. I will show you guys how exactly I'm making money. So again, we're not trying to be too spammy here. We're trying to actually be legit. So obviously you don't want to just spam people. You want to make it legit. Write something there. What works really well is video. So if you create a video, like a tutorial like how I'm doing, that works great. Facebook loves video, so you can go ahead and do that. You can even use pictures, but again, I recommend videos. And you see here what people do on this group is they promote different ways to earn money online. So basically what you're doing as an affiliate is, of course, you are promoting a product. So this is a great free way to promote product. You get so much exposure out of it with so many people. So you just go ahead and do that. Like I said, there's people here with posting about different ways how to turn cash into, how to turn this into this much cash and whatnot. Now, a lot of this feels like spam, right? That's why I said you have to be able to differentiate yourself, and that is how you do it, okay? So if you guys want training on that, go ahead and reach out to me. My social media links are down below. Reach out to me on Twitter, reach out to me on Instagram. Easy to reach out on both of those. So Facebook groups are a great way to go ahead and promote Builderall with a free traffic. Another way is Facebook pages. You can create your own Facebook page around this and go ahead and do that. But again, I like Facebook groups. To me, that works the best. Another method is YouTube videos. Like I said, you can just go ahead and make a review for Builderall. They've actually added a bunch of new features, so go ahead and create a video review for Builderall's new features and throw in your link down below. So basically that's the free method for promoting Builderall. You can also use social media like Instagram and whatnot, create an IG and whatnot. But to me, best way to do it is Facebook groups. Okay, let's move on to paid methods for this thing. Okay, so the best paid method for me personally is solo ads. Now, what exactly are solo ads? Solo ads are basically where you have a seller who has a large email list. It could be potentially 2,000 to 5,000 people. I don't know. It could be a bunch of people, but they are large lists. So remember how I told you earlier, there's email automation, email capture in affiliate marketing. So these are people that have captured emails of over 2, 5, 10,000 people. Who knows? It's an insane amount. And what they're basically doing is they're selling you their email list for a certain amount of money. Okay, so you come into this website called udemy.com, and I'll post a link down below for that. And what you do is you find sellers. Okay, and what you do is you sort of look for how many clicks you want. So they sell this by clicks. I would usually do 100 clicks just to test it out. So do 100 clicks, and you would. This is where you would make sure to get the profit back. So remember, $49.90 is how much you get. Builderall costs. So for every person that signs up, that is how much you would get paid out. So you don't want to spend much more than that, obviously, because you want to make a certain profit. So you go ahead and you look at sellers that make 30% opt-ins, 40% opt-ins, and you basically go ahead and do that. So let's say for this seller right here, it's 35 cents a click, I believe, and they've got a 41% approval percent. I probably wouldn't use this one, but let's just see how much it costs for them. So they're pretty cheap, okay? So 100 clicks, 100 visitors to your link, and it will cost $38, okay? So $38, and again, Builderall costs $49.99, so immediately you're getting that money back because the margin is in your favor. You can make a profit off of that, okay? So that is basically how you do it with a paid traffic method. You use solo ads. You can also find solo ads on Facebook, in Facebook groups. I believe there's a Facebook group called Solo Ads Testimonials, which has a bunch of people on here that are exactly the people that are in Udemy, which they sell solo ads. You just reach out to one of these people who leave reviews. So check this out. This is the seller. This is how many clicks he ordered. This is how many he received. Opt-in percentage of how many people opted into his product. How many tier 1, which is basically from very populated countries like US, UK and whatnot. And you go ahead and reach out to the seller. You negotiate a price, and you go ahead and pay them usually through PayPal. And you go ahead and do that. You submit the link. So in Udemy, they have a way right here where I can submit the link. And in Solo Ads Testimonial, you can do the same thing. So that is the best paid way to go ahead and promote Builderall. Okay, so now you have the tools to promote Builderall. The last thing I will say is obviously to make sure that you get the proper funnels and whatnot. You can go ahead and use Builderall. So go ahead and sign up with Builderall under me. Join my team. I will give you guys free training on funnels. I will provide you with your very own funnel to go ahead and use. You can use that funnel and go ahead and promote that to sell Builderall, and you will receive training from me anytime you want. You can reach out to me on my social media links down below for that. So go ahead and sign up for Builderall first things first under me, and then after that, go ahead and DM me, and I will send you guys the funnel. I'll also leave a couple more information down in the description below. But go ahead and reach out to me. I'll show you guys the funnel. First of all, like I said, sign up. I'll send the funnel, and then after that, any training I will provide for you guys one-on-one. I'll have a lot more trainings coming out, but as of right now, that is what I'm willing to provide for you guys to help you guys just get started, get your foot in the door. Believe me, I've tried everything: Bing ads, Facebook ads, Snapchat ads. I've tried everything in affiliate marketing, and this is the thing that works. Builderall, you can make insane amount of money off of it, so you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. So again, make sure you guys take advantage. So like I said, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to subscribe. So again, go ahead and sign up for Builderall under me. I'll leave a link down below for that. Go ahead and use these methods, and go ahead and reach out to me for the funnel so I can send it to you and give you guys that free training. I hope that helps. If you guys like this video, thanks for watching, as always.